Hey guys, I'd like to introduce you to our project for this week. We call it Cluster AI, and it uses machine learning to find similarities between research papers and then visualize this. So say you have an idea and you want to start research in this area, but you don't know where to start. We make that process easier by using natural language processing, specifically Google's BERT algorithm, to create a visualization of these research papers that you can very easily look through and identify papers. Say I want papers in biology and I want 100 papers sample. So here we are on the visualization page, and immediately you can notice some interesting features. Firstly, we have this large cluster of papers that are up in this corner here. You can use the mouse controls to move around the graph. The size of each node in the graph is dependent on how well linked that paper is, so or how similar that paper is. Click on this paper and go ahead, open the sidebar. You see that we get a description, we get the authors, and we get the URLs to access this paper. So evidently you can see right off the bat at a glance that these papers are probably going to be more helpful to you because they're much closer to each other than, let's say, a paper out here. Which is not really related to anything else, it's therefore much farther apart. It sort of helps you get an idea of where to get started. In the future, we're going to extend this by adding filters for authors or other keywords using different text. Right now, we use the descriptions of the papers and the abstracts to identify similarities, and sometimes it gets cut off like this because the API doesn't send us proper response, so we can use different APIs to cross-check that as well. But yeah, it's very easy to scale our model to many other things, and I think that it's definitely going to have an impact on getting started in research.